Hello everyone, Namaste. I'm Kala and thanks for watching Kala Art Online. So today's class, I'll be teaching on how to draw a few farm animals and then of course we decorate the page. But before I start the class, I would like all of you to start collecting a few things like plastic bottle if you use. We have the milk Tetra packs. Then I have got an empty ice cream box. And of course, my juice bottle, tissue rolls, kitchen towel rolls, because I will start teaching you all craft using all these materials also. So since it's lockdown time, I do not want you all to go out. Save all these things. We will start doing some craft with all this. So now we start with our farm animals. So now let's start with a simple cow. For the cow, first step, then the second step, then comes here the mouth. We're going to do this, the eyes, then we have the ears, the horns, and then we draw the legs. Here we have, and here. Then we draw the tail. Finally, we draw a few patches. You can just draw a few patches like this, which we will color. Then we can draw a small udder below. So this is a simple cow. Now the next we will draw a sheep. So I'm erasing this. Next is a sheep. Same way, face. Now from here, there we go. Then the body, followed by the leg. What are we missing? The ears. One ear, the other ear, the eyes, then we have a cute nose and a mouth. So this is going to be our sheep. And finally, I'm just going to erase this. We will draw a hen. Hen is very simple. Draw a curve like this. On top, easy. There, and we draw here also. Then comes the big eye, the beak, here, wings, and finally the leg. Now the coloring we will start. But first, all the three which we have learned, we are going to combine it on paper. We'll draw a small farmhouse with a fence, and then we will start coloring. So now I'm going to transfer everything onto paper. So first, let me draw a farmhouse. I can draw a chimney here. Let us draw heart here. Okay, so this is the house. Let me just roughly draw where the roadway is going to be. Some small stones on the way. Okay, then, okay, I can also draw the sun here. Now comes the first, I'll draw a cow. So for the cow now, same way. Don't forget the shapes in which we have drawn. The horn, the nose, the eyes. Now the body, legs, and the tail. Oh yes, and the marks on the body. Now, I can just show, I'll do this in green again, as if it is eating some grass. Hay, okay? Then here, I'll draw a fence. Okay, and one more fence from here. Let me first draw this line. 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, then let me draw the hen here. So the hen, same way, the shape, the eye, beak, now what I can do, I will draw a small baby hen, a small chick here. Okay, then I'll draw a tree. And some both sides. This is just the outline for the grass. Now what is missing? The sheep. Now you can incorporate all the three in your drawing. This is how I have creatively designed using a cow and the hens here. You can do what other creative way you want it, and then you can color. So let's finish the coloring first. Now here you can see I've used all my colors. I love to be surrounded by my colors. So many colors here I've got. So I have completed my artwork. Now certain places I just give a few shadings of green to show the grass. Now here I've colored the fence, the road leading up to the farmhouse, some tree, some clouds, the sky, and of course my cow and the hen. Oh, I can give some more red here. Okay, I can also draw some greens below. Now, if you want, you can show a worm here. That's where hen is eating a worm. So it's up to you how you are going to creatively do your work. So this is how we draw the farm animals. Now I will teach you some more farm animals in the next class. So I hope you all have completed the artwork. This is how the work will look. Now you can create it in design in your own way. I hope you all have enjoyed the class as much as I always enjoy teaching you all. And before I sign off, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe by clicking on the notification icon. So next class, either I will continue with more farm animals or we'll do a craft work. So start saving all the waste materials at home. Okay. Thank you all for watching. Bye.